All right, welcome back. We're down here at beautiful Aldinga Beach. We're going to be doing something a bit different today. We've got this beautiful bone-in ribeye. It's a big one, 1.5 kilos. We're going to be reverse searing this in the Weber GA. We've got the GA set up for some indirect cooking. If you want to touch a bit more on that, I'll put a link down in the description for you to check out where we go in a bit more in-depth into GA setups. But for now, we're going to season this bit of beef up. We're going to be working with a new rub I'm working on. If you want to treat your mates, this is going to be the perfect cook to follow along to. So for now, we're just going to get this beef seasoned up with our new beef rub. All right, so we've got our ribeye seasoned up. Whatever barbecue you're using, set it up for indirect cooking. And we're going to be looking to run this at about the 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius range. So we've got some nice olive Pipco briquettes in there. Need some smoking wood. Russ, going with some cherry. Got Russ here from Natural Smoke. So let's get the rest of this barbecue set up and we'll get this ribeye on. All right, so it's a tight fit, but that ribeye just fits in our GA. It's holding beautifully around that temperature we just spoke about. And we're gonna let this go for around an hour, and an internal temperature I'm gonna be looking for is around that 135 Fahrenheit or 57-ish degrees Celsius. Now that's a Wagyu ribeye, so I like to take my Wagyu a little bit further towards medium as it renders the fat down just that bit better. So we'll let this smoke away and we'll come back soon. All right, so it's been just over an hour. Our steak's hit its target internal temperature that we spoke about earlier. So what we're going to do now is get this steak out, and then we're going to do some garlic prawns to go with it.
Righto guys, so the steak is resting. Bloody hell, it looks amazing. Aaron's having a rest, and now now the real work starts. I've got the very glamorous job of putting some of these peeled banana prawns onto some skewers. What we're going to do, we're going to give them a sear directly over some charcoal. We're going to season them with some garlic galls, and we're going to make up a pretty basic baste with some melted butter, garlic galls, and see how that turns out. Right, and you don't have to go overboard with this stuff, guys, because it's got plenty of flavour. Just want to give them a real light little dusting, because like I said before, our butter base is going to have some more in it. Simple as that. Righto, so just going to add a bit of the garlic galls just to the butter. I reckon that's plenty. Right, prawns are ready to go on. We've just dumped probably half a lit chimney worth of briquettes in there. And we've also put our grill grate that's ready for the sear for our steak as well. So these are going to go on, probably going to for every 20 seconds. And just want to cook them until they're opaque. Going to be getting our baste as well. Just applying that as we go.
All right, while these prawns have got a couple of minutes left, we're going to finish this steak off with a sear for about a minute each side on this upside down grill grate. All right, so the steak's done, the prawns are done, everything come together nicely, so there's nothing more left to do now than to dig in. All right, now it's time to dig in. I'll be a gentleman and let you try first, Russ.
Thanks, mate. Oh.
Wow.
Wow. I mean, that's ridiculous.
It melts in your mouth, doesn't it?
It's almost like
It's very like briskety. It almost just pulls apart beautifully, just melts in your mouth.
Well, there you go, everyone. The ultimate surf and turf on the beach. Definitely give that a go. Russ, them prawns are amazing. That steak is sensational. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
See you guys. Take care.